Ever wondered if your digital wallet could be more than just a place to hold funds, but also a gateway to earning rewards and growing your money? It's a question many of us ponder as we navigate the increasingly digital landscape of personal finance. We're all looking for convenience, security, and perhaps a little extra something when it comes to managing our hard-earned cash. And in this quest, platforms like Beam Wallet often pop up on our radar. You see, traditional banking, while reliable, doesn't always offer the dynamic features some of these newer financial technologies do. We're talking about things like instant transfers, micro-investing opportunities, and yes, even ways to earn yield on your deposits. This evolving financial ecosystem has introduced us to a plethora of apps and services, each promising to simplify our lives and potentially optimize our financial future. But with so many options, a crucial question emerges: how do they actually work, and more specifically, can you easily get your money into them? Today, we're diving deep into Beam Wallet, a platform that has garnered attention for its unique approach to saving and earning. And the burning question on many minds is, plain and simple, can you deposit money into a Beam wallet? The short answer is, yes, absolutely you can. Beam Wallet is designed to be a functional digital wallet, and like any other, it needs to be funded for you to utilize its features. The process of depositing money into your Beam wallet is actually quite straightforward, mirroring many of the deposit methods you'd find with other popular financial apps. Typically, the primary way to deposit funds into your Beam wallet is by linking an external bank account. This is a common and secure method used across most financial technology platforms. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you can initiate transfers directly from your bank to your Beam wallet. Think of it like setting up a direct debit or an electronic funds transfer. The funds are moved digitally from your traditional bank account into your Beam wallet, usually appearing within a few business days, depending on your bank's processing times. Beyond direct bank transfers, Beam Wallet may also offer other convenient deposit methods. For instance, some platforms allow you to link a debit card, enabling instant top-ups directly from your card's associated bank account. This can be particularly useful for smaller, more frequent deposits when you want immediate access to your funds within the Beam ecosystem. It's also worth noting that the specifics of deposit methods can sometimes evolve as platforms grow and integrate new financial services. Beam Wallet, like other innovative fintech companies, is constantly looking for ways to enhance user experience and expand its functionalities. So, while bank transfers are a staple, it's always a good idea to check the Beam Wallet app or their official website for the most up-to-date information on all available deposit options. They often provide clear, step-by-step guides within the app to walk you through the entire process, making it incredibly user-friendly even for those new to digital wallets. Once your money is in your Beam wallet, that's where the platform's unique features come into play. Beam is known for offering competitive yields on deposited funds, allowing your money to potentially grow while it sits in your wallet, rather than just remaining stagnant in a traditional checking account. This makes it an appealing option for those looking to maximize their savings with minimal effort. So, to reiterate, depositing money into a Beam wallet is not only possible but designed to be a seamless process, primarily through linked bank accounts and potentially other convenient methods like debit card transfers. It's the gateway to unlocking the full potential of what Beam Wallet offers, from earning rewards to managing your digital finances more efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.